It's Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today we are back with a new type of video. We have a grocery haul. I am obsessed with watching people's grocery hauls because I love being nosy and seeing what other people are eating. So I decided I wanted to do my own. I usually start the week off going to Trader Joe's, but this week I was feeling super lazy and didn't want to drive all the way to Trader Joe's. So I just went to the local grocery store and did my meal prep shopping there. So let's get started. The first thing is a weekly staple. Let me take it out of the bag. Chicken. This is like 5 pounds of chicken. I usually always get 5 pounds of chicken. Sorry, I have to wash my hands now because chicken juice is gross. I usually get 5 pounds of chicken, and then 1 breast I will meal prep and give it to Nugs. And then, I know, I cook her meal prep. She's spoiled. 1 breast I'll cook for her meal prep, and then the remainder of the breast I'll just either crock pot or I will grill it, and then that will be my chicken for the week. It usually lasts about like 4 to 5 days before it gets like weird and old. So that's pretty much good enough for the week. Next we have chicken babies, eggs. I eat like 2 eggs a day. I don't usually like eggs at all, but I found this seasoning at Trader Joe's. I didn't find, like everyone talks about the seasoning. It's everything but elote. I think that's how you say it. Seasoning blend from Trader Joe's. I put this on eggs and it is an egg saver because I usually hate eggs and makes them fantastic. Next we have organic spring mix. I'm trying to be better and eat more vegetables, and also I'm trying to be better at not wasting food, because whenever I decide I want to make salad, I'll buy the giant salad mix kits, and then by day 3 I'm over salads and then all the lettuce goes to waste. So I bought a little baby one. Hopefully I'm better this week. Red potatoes, because I kind of stopped eating rice just because I don't like eating microwaved rice, and I also don't like making rice every single day. I don't know, just a me thing. So I switched my carbs to potatoes, and I love potatoes. They remind me of fries, so it's a win-win. Then, oh, what's up with my sweatshirt? Let me just zip it up. Then I have a fruit cup. Again, I'm just trying to eat more fruits and veggies. So this was like a $5 fruit cup. So I was like, that's a good deal. Why not? Also, avocados. I love eating avocados with breakfast. I'll like cut them in half, and then I'll eat half the avocado for breakfast, half the avocado for lunch. These are little baby ones. I don't know if you can tell. I don't want to take it out of the sack yet because they're all together. But like my hand for reference, these things are little babies. We'll see how they go. I got those because I didn't feel like picking my own. I know, I was really lazy, guys, today. I didn't feel like picking my own and putting them in a bag, and I was like, this already comes in a bag. Let's just go. I really wanted to get home because I've been waiting for a call from the vet. Not that I can't get a call anywhere. I have a cell phone, but Nugs has like a weird bump on her stomach, and I'm waiting to hear back. And just like when I'm not here and I'm like, oh my God, what is she doing? Is the bump okay? So I'm just paranoid. But anyway, so that's why I was like in a rush. I had to get back home. So next we have cream cheese. I bought cinnamon raisin bagels from Trader Joe's a few days ago. I love Trader Joe's, guys. If you guys don't love Trader Joe's, wow. Nobody loves Trader Joe's more than my friend Crystal. She's obsessed with Trader Joe's, but I definitely like them a lot, and they're a lot. It's just annoying. It's like a pretty far hike, whereas there's 2 grocery stores across the street. Next, I discovered these burritos in Sprouts. There's no Sprouts anywhere near me anymore, but I found these at the grocery store, so super win. These are Red's burritos. They are decent on macros. It's 12 grams of protein per one burrito. My favorites are the steak and cheddar and the chicken, cilantro, and lime. These are such a fave. The steak and cheddar is 15 grams of protein. Of course, though, with microwave meals, just be a little aware because the sodium is definitely a lot higher in microwave meals. And like these burritos have a ton of sodium in them. So you definitely want to be mindful. 470 milligrams of sodium. It's a lot. So just be a little bit more mindful and drink more water. Then, guys, I am buying an air fryer soon. So maybe I'll do a video about air fryer meals. But I found these little chicken nuggies. They are air fried Tyson. It says pure crispy perfection. Who the heck wouldn't love that? Like air fried chicken breast nuggets. Let's freaking go. I cannot wait to get my air fryer this week, guys. We are gonna be cooking up some tasty shit. Maybe bring back Tonya Tastings, but I lost the Instagram password, so can't get in anymore. Anyway, these are great. It's 15 grams of protein per serving. It is higher on the sodium again, because, you know, frozen meat, whatever. 520 milligrams of sodium. Drink more water. I love anything air fried. I also love anything in nugget form, so I cannot wait to try these. It says 75% less fat, so like, let's go for it. Next, I really like well, usually if I go to Trader Joe's, I will get 1 Greek yogurt per day because I'll eat that as like my night snack. My friend Crystal put me on Trader Joe's Greek yogurt, so good. But because I didn't go, I bought these little strawberry cottage doubles instead. I really like cottage cheese. I know a lot of people don't like it because of the consistency, but if you can get over that it's like weird little lumps, it is weirdly good, and especially with the preserves. Or if you want, you can just buy the big tubs of cottage cheese and then a tub of whatever fruit preserve you like. I really like this one. The peach is amazing. They didn't have any other flavor but strawberry, but peach, strawberry, and blueberry of the cottage doubles are so good. Also, I saw these on sale, and my old roommate used to be obsessed with these waters, and I was like, I could always drink more water. Why not? So I bought the sparkling ice waters in orange mango, pink grapefruit, kiwi strawberry, and strawberry watermelon. I am super excited to try those. And, oh, last thing. My obsession lately has been making crock pot barbecue chicken for meal prep. So this is barbecue sauce I've been using every week. It's G. Hughes sugar-free barbecue sauce. I've tried this one, the sweet one, and I think regular, and this is this one is hickory. Hickory is okay. My favorite one so far has been, it's like the sweet, I think it's called honey barbecue or sweet something. I don't remember the exact name, but there's not that many flavors. So when you see it, you'll know. That one was my favorite. Regular barbecue is probably second favorite, and then I'm not a huge fan of hickory. It's okay. It's like, it's still good, but it's not my fave. So this week we're back to hickory because this one was on sale. Guys, I'm all for the deals. Crock pot chicken, again, it usually takes 4 hours to make. It lasts about 4 to 5 days, which is super, super clutch. The chicken breast stays super juicy. So if you guys want a video on how I make my crock pot chicken, let me know. Other than that, that is all I got today at the grocery store, guys. Thank you so much for watching my grocery haul with me. Hope you guys like my video, honestly, because I like watching these. I think it's super cool to see what kind of healthy / semi-healthy foods that people find that they're able to fit into their macros or just fit into their daily eating. I am not super restrictive with eating, so I just love trying new foods. And if you guys have any recommendations of anything nugget shaped or anything super good, drop them in the comments below because I'd love to try. See you guys later. Have a great day, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.